Blackheads form on our skin when excess oil, sebum, combines with dead skin cells and clogs the pores. When this mixture is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns dark in color, which is why it's called a blackhead. They mostly appear on the nose, forehead, and chin, an area known as the T-zone, because the oil glands there are the most active. If left untreated for too long, they become deeper and larger, which not only looks unappealing but also affects the overall texture of the skin. The easiest and most effective way to remove blackheads at home is steam therapy. First, wash your face with lukewarm water to help open up the pores. Then take a bowl of hot water and hold your face over it for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the steam to open the pores even further. This softens the blackheads and makes them easier to extract. After steaming, gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. After steaming, prepare a natural scrub using a mixture of baking soda and water. Gently massage this onto the affected area in circular motions to remove dead skin cells and unclog the pores. This method brings the blackheads to the surface, making them easier to extract. Follow this up with a come-down extractor tool, which is also recommended by dermatologists for safe extraction. After extraction, it's important to close the pores, otherwise dirt and oil can build up again. For this, use a natural toner such as rose water or diluted apple cider vinegar. Apply it to the affected area using a cotton pad. This helps tighten the pores and leaves the skin feeling fresh. Finally, apply a light, oil-free moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and prevent new blackheads from forming. Repeat this entire process only 1 to 2 times a week. Doing it daily can irritate the skin. Along with this, make changes to your diet, reduce oily and junk food, drink more water, and eat foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which improve skin health from within. Consistency is the real key to this remedy. If you follow it regularly, your pores will be clean and your skin will look noticeably clearer within just 2 to 3 weeks. And that's a wrap on today's satisfying blackhead removal session. If you enjoyed watching this transformation as much as I enjoyed doing it, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps this channel grow. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next satisfying skincare video. Drop a comment below and let me know which extraction was your favorite part, and tell me what type of skincare video you want to see next: blackheads, cystic acne, or a full deep cleansing facial. Thank you so much for watching, take care of your skin, and I'll see you in the next video.